welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making some slime. And I have clear glue, white glue, glue all. I have yellow, red, blue, and green food coloring, and some containers to put these in, really small containers, activator and lotion. So let's get on to it. So first we are going to add the glue all. If I could get it open, we're gonna pour on this paper, guys. So I'm gonna keep pouring this, and then we're gonna have to add our clear glue in because I'm mixing white and clear glue. Now let's add this pretty clear glue. I'm just gonna add a little bit to make it a little shiny, because clear glue is pretty cool because it's really clear. So I think it's really cool. So I think that should be good enough. So now let's mix, and I'm gonna be right back because I need to mix. Guys, so I got a mixing utensil, which is a plastic spoon. So let's mix the clear glue and the white glue together. See, really clear kind of, but it's still white. So I'm gonna add a little more clear glue because it's making it look so pretty and clear. So I'm just gonna add about that much. Let's mix that in. And next, I'm gonna add the lotion. So let's add some lotion. We're gonna add some lotion and mix it up. I'm gonna pick blue because blue is my favorite color. I'm gonna make a purple. So I'm gonna add a blue and red, whatever this color is. And then mix it. Because blue is a little stronger than red, so I just added 1 drop of blue and 2 drops of red to make purple. I already see it making purple, guys. Do you see that? It's like the American flag, red, white, and blue. But now it's gonna turn purple. So now it's like a pretty purple. But I want a little more dark, so I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of blue. Okay, so I added a little more blue, and I'm just gonna mix that because I want it to like the point where it's like a really pretty purple, because I like the color purple, but I like all the colors except brown, like brown. So I think this is good enough. Okay guys, so I added a little more blue and a little more red. So I think it's time to activate. So let's get my handy dandy activator. So let's add a little bit at a time in there. I'm adding a little bit at a time. I know people just be dumping the whole thing on there. So I just like to add little by little because I don't want to over activate my slime. Sometimes because I add just a little bit of activator. And this will take a long time to activate because I didn't really add a lot of borax to the water, and there is a whole lot of water in there. So, and finally it actually is turning into slime now. So I think we just need to add a little bit more activator to it, and then it will turn into a slimy slime timers. So I think this slime is gonna turn really good. Well, this slime is actually really pretty of a purple. So I think we just need to add a little more activator to it for it to become slime. Okay, so let's add, So let's add a little more activator to it. And for all of you kids that want to know how to make slime, subscribe, I should say. And you will learn how to make slime. So I'm just gonna go in with the cup now because it's getting annoying. think I should start taking it off the plate because it's getting stuck to the plate. Oh guys, look at this. It's a really nice purple. Whee! So, this is really good. I also made it with glue wall because glue wall is really thick. And it's like really good. Guys, I have a special guest and I want to add a little bit more clear glue to this because I want it to be shiny. Okay, whatever. So let's just mix it in. I'm going to have to activate this a little bit again because I add more glue. So let's get that. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get every notification when I post a new video. Bye!